The stroke symptoms are hard to recognize. When it happened to me, I didn't immediately recognize them. So what are some signs that people should be on the lookout for so that they know to act quickly when something like that happens to them?
You know, stroke is a public health burden, and recognizing stroke as a public health burden because of this myth that stroke is bad, but I don't know how to tell a stroke, right? And we've pretty much all seen people out in the street where they're maybe paralyzed on one side of their body and they're sort of walking a little bit fragile because one side of their body is not moving as well. Those people have had a stroke in the past. And so how can we recognize when somebody around us, whether it's on the bus or on the subway or a loved one during a dinner, is having a stroke? We all know when somebody's having a heart attack, right, Adrian?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you see it in the movies all the
They're
time.
coming to get me, Elizabeth. Yeah.
Everyone knows the universal sign of a heart attack. The stroke have a universal sign. It's interesting because there is not one universal sign for stroke. We do use some ways for people to remember how to spot a stroke. It's important to know that sometimes stroke does not have any pain associated with it. So again, it's not as urgent sometimes to people, whereas heart attack is super painful. It feels like somebody's sitting on my chest. I need to go to the hospital. Did you experience any pain, Adrian, when this happened to you?
No, none at all. Again, I thought maybe I did feel a little dizzy. That was the extent of it. I do know my words started to slur. I feel that's a big one.
Yeah.
And like to me, it felt like a hot flash.
Mm.
So, you know, and I guess that sort of leads me to number 4. It says that if the stroke symptoms go away, that it's not a big deal.